So this is the kitchen area. It's equipped with most of the mod cons, 7 kilo washing machine. There's a fridge freezer, quite a large one in here. Quite a lot of storage space. And same for the actual freezer area, so lots of compartments. It's meat cutting machines, pasta making machines. There's a whole host of pots and pans, really quite a large selection of all types, right down to cooking pots. In addition, from a cutlery perspective, there's a whole set of white dinner sets, which includes serving trays and really everything you can imagine. In addition, there's electronic meat cutters, salad bowls, blenders, casserole pots, cake making equipment. I think about everything a kitchen would need. Cooker, standard cooker, and obviously all the normal instruments, including juicers and blenders. The tumble dryer is located in a cupboard. Cupboard is complete with the ironing board and iron, Henry Hoover, new Henry Hoover with all the accessories not actually even opened. Including in here is the tumble dryer, etc. In addition to that, there's knife sets, and also located in the front room there's a whole host of cookery books from covering everything from caviar to wines, etc. And table laying mats, slate table laying mats. And in addition, there's lots of different cloths to be laid over the table, 2 tones. So there's a dining table here, which is 6-seater or expandable to 8, 2 additional chairs over that side for dining. This is the front room area. In the front room there are 5 seats, open fire and 60-inch TV and other decor. Located across in the cabinet is a computer table. Inside the computer table there is also software on top which allows you to use the printer and scanner. And that printer and scanner is located there. It's a Canon. Quite low cost in terms of ink cartridges. There's also a spare laptop there which can be used. In addition, on the desktop you'll find a series of folders for each of the rooms. And what that does is, if you're in a room and you want to understand how to use an appliance, so for example the front room, you would open it and you could, if you wanted to understand how to use the DVD player, double click on that item and obviously it will open the video using the DVD and explain how to use the DVD player. Surround sound system. First of all, you need to switch on the device. You'll see welcome come up. And that's available for each of the rooms in the house, so that should make operating the different items quite straightforward. It's a 26-inch computer monitor. And it all locks away into a computer-based cabinet. The front room is equipped with surround sound system in front, with directional speakers for volume, bass box speakers for the bass, and then 4 speakers located at each side of the room. The gas fire is adjustable, so you can turn it on and off, lower the flames, etc. And there's a big mirror and some other decor located on this side. There's plenty of storage space in all these cabinets for what's ever necessary. And there's also a table set. One is over there at the moment, but basically they can be located around the room. And also another storage table located at this point. all the sofas except this middle one here at the very middle, but all the outer sofas are recliners. So located on the side, if you pull this lever, they open up into reclining sofas, and if you just lean back with your weight on the sofas, they fold down into nearly vertical beds. Similarly, moving your weight forward will cause the chair to tip up, and you just use your powers in your legs to push back to lock them back into their regular position. So that's the front room, and the outside is a patio area there. It's just used for bins at the moment. Now, located on the first floor, there is a bathroom. The bathroom is a quite standard shower, which is not included in the agreement, and loads of storage spaces. So there's lots of cupboards located around on the walls, which can be used for storing towels, etc. And there's a sliding mirror door for additional storage space. Located on the ground floor is a bedroom, pretty standard. There's a computer table and also a chest of drawers and wardrobes, etc. It's a relatively big room. Located going up the stairs is the two main bedrooms at the top. This is one of the bedrooms, which is, as you can see, relatively large. There's a computer table here if it's necessary, and a large double wardrobe for storage. In addition, there is a chest of drawers located on this side, and there's also phone points and also terrestrial cable. All the house is fitted with blinds. In the other bedroom, there is again fitted with blinds and quality furniture. So it's very compact, so even though the room is relatively big, there's a very compact unit here. And what this unit does is basically provide you with overhead storage space for storing things, and in addition there is wardrobe space and obviously chest of drawers, etc. Each of the sides of the bedroom are fixed with actual extension leads, so there's 5 extension leads. In addition, there is actually a plug socket located on this side, and also pool lighting on either side of the beds. In addition, there's glow lights which are activated by turning to the side and deactivated by turning again. That automatically charges at that point. There's also additional storage area in here, which is there's an additional hoover and also a place for storing clothes. There's also an ensuite in this room, and that ensuite has also the same storage types of storage facilities, sink and typical toilet, etc. There is a very large, which will support up to 50 kilos, cantilever TV holder, which will be fitted if requested. That would be fitted over on this side of the wall and allow the TV to sit flat against the wall. Because it's cantilever, when you wish to use the TV, it can be then pulled out and displayed right in front of the bed. So very compact again, and not taking up a lot of space in the room. From an external perspective, oh, the house is alarmed as well. There's an alarm system here. A night mode for upstairs, so it only secures the downstairs in case someone breaks in. Then the alarm will be triggered, and also another mode for when you leave the house. And that mode will actually activate and make sure that upstairs and downstairs are secure. There's a lot of garden space here, which is nice and private in the sense that there's very few bushes, as you can see. And with the property comes a shed, and in that shed is all the mod cons you'd expect. So trimmers, hoses, garden furniture including table in the back, and lawnmowers, and a step ladder, etc. So this is the back of the property. The garage is not included, but this is a nice area really for privacy. I'll just show you what's on the other side of that. So if we turn away, so then it's fenced up that side with a gate. So this is the side part of the garden. We held it to the front. The front part of the garden has very thick bushing again. It's winter, so it's not so thick at the moment. There's an apple tree and a pear tree in the front of the garden, and this is really the front area of the house, but again, like I said, quite secluded. If I walk down the other end, I'll show you the other view. This is the front of the house. So this is the other side of the view leading onto the rear garden. Behind the back of this rear garden is also a patio, which can be used for other events. There's enough space for off-street parking for 2 cars through this area, and around the side there is the patio, which is just used to store bins, etc. In addition, the TV also has a DVD player connected to it, which is also the surround sound system, and also a laptop underneath. Basically, that laptop also includes a wireless keyboard and mouse, which allows the TV to be operated once switched to computer mode, so you can play movies from that or surf the internet or what have you, although internet is not actually installed or included in this property. In addition, there is some storage space underneath the stairs. Under there includes a number of extension needs, spare extension needs, and also about 4 different heaters if needed for whatever reason. And also there is various items for the table. So cloths, napkins, candles, etc. And a whole host of cloths underneath here.